People are gone. Yes, y'all know who it is. You understand? Yes, this is Silk Reacts. You understand? I'm here today to give you something new and fresh. You understand? Because you guys doing well, bro. You understand? You guys doing well. You guys give me a lot of subscribers, a lot of likes, made me reach at the mail. Oh my God, I'm gonna give you something fresh today. But this one, it is a prank. It is not a loyalty test nor a reaction. It is a prank. Maybe I can react to this video as well. You understand? Yes. Some people, we at the Walmart. You understand? Yes, we at the Walmart. Y'all gonna see what is going to happen. But first, guys, subscribe right now. You understand? And press the like button, bro. Bro, press the like button and share the video, bro. Let's grab a trolley. You understand? Gonna grab a trolley right now. We're going in Walmart. We're gonna see what is going to happen. You understand? Let's go. Follow. It's a prank. Come on, YouTube. It's a prank. See the camera. Yes, yo, people, that was intense just now. You understand, people? Trust me. Y'all see what happened inside of Walmart, bro. People is so scared, bro. You understand? But I'm not here to hurt you guys. You understand? Guys, please to subscribe and leave a like. You see this fresh cut, bro? I get it here designed by Lex. Go over on Instagram. Go on Instagram, DM her, bro. You need a hairstyle? DM. Here designed by Lex. You understand, guys? Walmart prank. bro. Comment. Where should I go next, bro? This is in Brampton, bro. Where should I go? Toronto, Scarborough, Vaughan. Which Walmart next? Leave your comment right now, guys. You understand? Thank you for watching all of this video. People, I'm out.